Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up this new Bluetooth speaker by Altec Lansing. It's called Baby Boom. Looks pretty nice. We're going to open this up, show you how to use it, see how it sounds. Stay with us, see what we think of it. Here we are. This is the Altec Lansing Baby Boom. It says 30 feet, floats in water, up to 6 hours playtime. Wow. Has a clip, so you can clip it onto your belt or your backpack or whatever, woman's purse. Take this out. There's the little speaker. There's your instructions. Look at this. I like this. Shows you how to do everything. It says charge time, 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. Set that right there. All this right there. There's some decals. There's your clip. Clips right on the side right here, this little hook. Like that. Clip it on your belt. Women clip it on their purse or whatever. I'm not going to put it on there for right now, okay? Take it back off for now. I'm just going to show you how to use this. Charging cable. Okay. Altec right there. Now right here on the bottom is the charging port. Open that little thing up. Put that in right there. Plug this into your USB port of your computer, PC, or even the charging thing, plug-in for your phone. Let's go charge this and we'll get it ready to go. All right, we're going to charge this little guy. Right here on the bottom is the port to charge with. You plug it in right there. Plug it into the USB port of your computer. See the red light there? It says the red light comes on when it's charging. When it's through, red light goes off. All right, we got it charged up now. It said 2 to 3 hours. Now on your top here, here's your on-off button. Minus is your down volume, plus is your up volume. Or if you're listening to music, hold down that plus for a couple seconds, it'll go to the next song. Hold down the minus for a couple seconds, it'll go back to a previous song, okay? Let's turn this little guy on. Hold it down.
Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Hear that?
Pairing.
Pairing. What
Connected.
you want to do now is go connect your phone. Make sure you've got the Bluetooth turned on. Connections. Bluetooth. There it is. And it's called Altec Baby Boom. So we got it hooked up now. All right, there we are. Phone. Let's go open our Bluetooth. Turn it on. It's phone's looking for it. Give it a chance to find it here. It's a looking. There it is, Altec Baby Boom right there. Pairing, we'll click on it. Pair.
Connected.
Now it's connected, we're ready to go play music. Alright, we got it hooked up now. Let's see if we can play a little music here. What do you say? I've got some MP3 files here. These came with the phone, so they're not going to be a copyright problem, okay? How about right there? Hear it? Now if I want to go to the next song, hold the plus down for a couple seconds. Tell you what, let's do the volume. Whoop. Down now. All right, that works pretty good. Want to go to the next song? Hold the plus down for a couple seconds. Went to the next song. Look at that. Hold down the minus for a couple seconds. All right, the back button didn't seem to work, but it went to a song I can't play. Sorry, I had to take that off. It's copyrighted, so we'll get to some more music here in just a second after we get it paused. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so we'll pause it right there and we're ready to go. Pause it. I can't play that song, so copyright problem. We'll go down here to a song I know is good because I use it on YouTube all the time. Oops. There you go. Turn it up. Down. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Alright. I like that. Pause it. I think we'll get my wife's phone. We'll make a little phone call. And if I want to answer the phone, you push the power button once, it'll answer for you. If you want to hang up after you've been talking, push the power button again and it'll hang up. If you decide that somebody's calling and you don't want to talk to them, push down for a second or two on the power button and it'll just disconnect them and won't have to answer it, okay? Alright, I got my phone here, my wife's phone. I'm going to call my phone. Press it once, and it answers. See there? Can you hear me now? I want to hang up. Press it once again. Hung up. All right. Now, let's say I don't want to talk to anybody on the phone, so somebody calls me. Hold down for a couple seconds, and it cuts it off. All right. Can you beat that? I think I'm going to go back and play a little music here on it. I like the sound of it. It really sounds good. Right there it is. Doesn't that sound good? Down volume, down volume, down volume. Up volume, up volume, up volume. Alright, sounds pretty good. Now you get ready to stop using it. Pause. The power button is pause and play. Push it down for a couple seconds and it pauses. Push it back, it starts back. Pause it. Okay. If you're through using the phone, using the Bluetooth speaker, you can just turn it off. Hold down the power button.
Powering off.
Power it off. If you go in here and check your Bluetooth, and it's off. All right, there it is. Altec Lansing Baby Boom. Sounds pretty good. Really like that bass on that. Sounds good. Remember, a good clip here if you want to clip it on your belt, or women want to clip it on their purse or whatever. So, all right. A lot more of these items up there under the playlist called speakers. Go check them out. All right. Okay, the instructions say that you can pair two of these together, but I only have one, so I'll have to go check out, get another one, and we'll pair the two together in another video and show you how they work. Go check out the description below to Amazon. You can find these. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on, links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.